New UK state pension changes begin 18 July. What every retiree must know. Big changes are coming to the UK state pension system starting 18 July, and if you're retired or nearing retirement, you need to pay close attention. This isn't a small policy tweak or a quiet adjustment behind the scenes. We're talking about major updates to how your pension is paid, who qualifies, and how your information is verified. And the worst part, many pensioners haven't been informed. No letters, no phone calls, just silence. We've spoken to real retirees recently, people like John, who's been receiving his pension without issue for over 15 years. Last week, for the first time ever, his payment didn't arrive. No explanation, just a missing deposit. Another pensioner told us she only heard about the upcoming changes from an online forum, not from the DWP. This is not how people who've paid into the system for decades should be treated. So, what exactly is happening on 18 July? First, eligibility checks are tightening. The Department for Work and Pensions, DWP, is rolling out a more automated system that reviews your national insurance record, housing situation, and even whether you've changed bank accounts or addresses recently. Any discrepancy, no matter how small, could flag your file for revalidation. And if that happens, your pension could be delayed, paused, or even temporarily stopped until the issue is resolved. Second, the payment schedule itself is changing. While your weekly pension amount may stay the same, the day your payment arrives might shift. If you're used to receiving your money every Monday, it could suddenly show up later in the week, or even early. For pensioners with bills or direct debits tied to specific dates, even a short delay can cause serious problems. There's also a new focus on digital verification. The DWP is starting to rely more on automated systems to send out review requests. If your contact details aren't up to date, you may miss that notification entirely and find yourself locked out of your benefits until it's resolved. Now, let's talk about pension credit, which many rely on to top up their income. New rules starting this month mean your entire financial picture will be reassessed: household income, savings, even secondary properties, like an inherited flat you don't live in. If your circumstances have changed even slightly, you could lose access to support, and in some cases, you might even be asked to repay money already given. This is already creating stress and confusion for thousands of older people, many of whom don't have family nearby to help with forms, calls, or navigating the system. So what can you do right now to protect yourself? Check your national insurance contributions online. Even one missing year can reduce your pension. You still have time to fill in gaps, but only if you act soon. Update your contact information with the DWP. An outdated address or email could cause you to miss critical verification requests. Be prepared for a reassessment if you receive pension credit or similar support. Make sure your financial records, savings, and housing details are correct and easily accessible. There's some good news too, but only if you're prepared. For instance, the DWP is automating cold weather payments and fuel support for winter. If your data is correct and up to date, these benefits could be applied automatically without needing to apply. Also, new rules for mixed-age couples, where one partner is under pension age, are being simplified, which could make your claim easier to process. One more important update: a compensation scheme is currently in development. It's aimed at retirees, especially women, who may have been underpaid in the past due to outdated or incorrect NI records. If your record is accurate and flagged properly before autumn, you could be eligible for backdated payments. This isn't widely reported yet, but it's real, and it could mean hundreds, even thousands, in money you didn't know you were owed. Let me share a quick example. Margaret, a retired nurse from Kent, watched one of our updates earlier this year. She checked her records and discovered a clerical error from the 1,980 SA missing year of NI contributions. If she hadn't caught it, her pension would have been reduced under the new system. Because she acted in time, her payments are secure. That's what staying informed can do. This isn't about fear. It's about readiness. It's about taking control in a system that can feel overwhelming and confusing. You've worked hard your whole life. You deserve a retirement with stability and peace, not stress and uncertainty. So here's your next step. Share this video. A neighbor, a friend, or a family member might still be in the dark. Don't assume they know what's coming. Be the reason they're ready. And if you want more clear, honest updates like this, subscribe to the channel. We're here to help you stay informed, take action, and protect what you've earned. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.